Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome to another video, and in today's video I'm gonna talk about my YouTube earnings from last year 2017, and I'm gonna show you guys like what a small channel just like mine can earn, you know. So this is just like my example. You can you can take this and do many different ways, you know, like each person they will have like a different plan or anything. So yeah, let's start. And last year, I'm just gonna show in here a small graphic. Last year I earned like all together, when I'm talking about YouTube earnings, I'm talking about like what I earn in YouTube ad revenue, like for uploading videos, what I earn with my coaching mentorship, you know, and with some affiliate programs that I have here on my channel. So altogether, last year in 2017, I made around $1,200. You know, I know it's not a lot of money, and this is not like my full-time job, because I'm a web developer full-time job. This is like some kind of just hobby, but this is like just to show you guys that it's possible to make money online, you know, and it doesn't take like too much effort. This is what can be called like a bit of passive income. Not about like my coaching, but the YouTube ad revenue. And so yeah, I'm just gonna show you like this graphic, like I said now. So around 30% of my earnings of these $1,200 that I earned was from YouTube ad revenue. Around 60% was from my mentorship program, where I'm coaching people, and the rest, like 10%, was like affiliate programs like Amazon, Treehouse, you know, and HostGator if you guys are signing up. So yeah, I'm gonna start out with YouTube ad revenue. So my channel, so this is just for you guys to have like a kind of you know, example. You know, obviously like all channels they will be different, you know. Like for example, a channel who is about gaming will have like different CPMs, like cost per mil, you know, like we have like these kind of things. For example, on average, for example, for 1,000 views, let's say that on YouTube, like someone will get like around $2, let's say, for 1,000 views. My channel gets a little bit more, because I'm like focusing web development and tech. So I get around, let's say on average, maybe $4 or $5, let's say, like for every 1,000 views. So yeah, this is something that wow, when I started out and I didn't know that I could earn some money, you know, like with these. This is like just a motivation for all of you guys that you want to start your own YouTube channel and stuff. As you can see, if you start making like some YouTube videos and uploading, sharing with everyone, you can actually monetize these and have some actual income on the side, you know. Because last year, when I started my my YouTube channel, I started around June, I think, June, so around like half of the year. So basically I earned these $1,200 in 6 months, yeah, because I started in June, so until the end of the year. So this is around, let's say, $200 a month that I earn, like just like breaking down per month. Yeah, so can you imagine if your full-time job that you have right now, if you could have like a pay raise, a promotion, like for $200 extra a month, you know what you can do with these? You can go out, you can buy some new clothes, or you can travel. This is really great. You don't have to be asking for a promotion or whatever. Or basically, if you want to start working from home, you know, I know that my channel now is a small channel, and in the future I can earn so much more with these. So this is just like one of my revenues was this YouTube ad revenue. Like I said, I earned a little bit of money, was great, you know. You know, if I think if I would put a bit more effort, you know, if I was working full time, I could make a lot of more money. as you guys can see, all these big YouTubers, they are making lots and lots of money, believe me. So yeah, this is like, so 30% of my income was of my $1,200 that I earned was from YouTube, and then 60% was from my mentorship program. You know, like I'm teaching people. This is like what YouTube should be about. You know, that you shouldn't be expected to earn some money from YouTube ad revenue, because there is a lot of people out there that, oh my god, my videos are getting demonetized and everything. Guys, YouTube is letting you uploading videos completely for free. For free, you know, hosting. You can host your videos on their platform and reach millions of people. Like, basically they are promoting your videos completely for free. And if sometimes they demonetize your videos because you are just like cursing or you have inappropriate thumbnails or whatever, like a lot of people are just like cursing on their videos, or oh, I'm just gonna be real, like some of these YouTubers, oh, I'm just gonna be real, and if I want to say like yeah, it's like this, YouTube is promoting your videos, you are uploading videos completely for free, and if you are complaining about they demonetize your videos, you are just like yeah. So basically YouTube, you can sell your own products. You know, this is what should be all about, selling your own products. For example, now with my experience that now I'm on my second job, I had my first job last year as a front-end web developer, and like I mentioned in some of my previous video, last year in 2017 I landed my second job as a full stack web developer. You know, I went through a lot of interviews. I asked many of the managers and all these people, like what are they looking for. I talked with many recruiters. So actually I have a lot of experience, you know, and I can share this with my students, like what kind of interviews they should expect, the questions, how their CV should look like, what kind of projects they should have on their online portfolio, how their online portfolio should look like, you know, what kind of languages they should learn. All of these things I cover on my mentorship program. So yeah, this was like some kind of one of my service that I was offering, and I was not, and still I'm not promoting it that much, you know, because I have a full-time job, guys. That's my main source of income. So basically this is what I'm doing, just like trying to help some of you guys that you want to get into the industry. I'm not charging like completely crazy prices. So basically I really like to help you guys, but obviously if I monetize this, it motivates me a little bit more, you know, so I can give you better value and everything. So yeah, so 60% about these $1,200 that I said that I earned in the last year was coming from this my mentorship program. And finally, like 10% around was from my affiliate programs, like Treehouse. Whenever I have a link down for Treehouse, for example, for you guys to check it out and sign up for them, which I believe in them completely. That's why I or for example my Amazon links, you know, affiliate links with my gear that I'm using, my headphones that you can see me using in my videos, or my computer, or the books that I really recommend you guys to check these books that I have in the description to learn web development. All of these, if you guys are going and buy these kind of things, which is not from me, but I get some kind of a little bit of a commission. It's not too much money, but you know, in the end everything adds up. And yeah guys, so as you can see what I did in 2017, all this money that came from YouTube, like not just from ad revenue, but from my coaching mentorship program, from these affiliates and the YouTube ad revenue, all summed up went to $1,200. And it was amazing, you know, because it didn't took me that much of a time to do all these kind of things. and it was quite natural. I was not fighting with any boss or anyone was telling me what to do, you know. I was basically doing this, I was my own boss. I was deciding when I was uploading videos, I was deciding what my videos they have. I was deciding about my mentorship program, what I teach, I share my own experience and everything. In the affiliate links, I'm just sharing whatever I think is the best. So all of these things, as you can see, it's possible to earn money online. And if you guys put more time and more effort, which I want to do it now in these new year in 2018, I want to step up a little bit this game, you know, and try to earn a little bit more money so I can travel a little bit more and you know, give more value to you guys as well. Because if I'm starting to get a little bit more of income, it also motivates me, you know, to give you more and more content, more tutorials, share more about my experience. And yeah, guys, so as you can see, this is possible. I'm a really small YouTuber, like 1,600 subscribers at the moment, and you guys can basically replicate this, and as you can see, it's possible. Can you imagine that now in the end of the month you are getting $200 extra on top of your salary? It's great, you know. So yeah, and probably now in 2018 I'm gonna get even more money than that. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys like this video. If you guys want more videos like about how you could make more money, there is so much more ways of making money on YouTube, you know. And I can make some more videos about how you can make money online or with your YouTube or with a blog or anything. So if you guys want to see some of more videos like this, let me know in the comments down below. And yeah, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like it. Subscribe to the channel if this is your first video. Share with your friends, that if you have any friends that they are struggling a little bit with money, you know, that you want to get a little bit extra of income, share with them. And that's it, guys. I'll see you in the next video.